Becky, get Kiki to say something. I really want to hear him sing. Get it on camera.
Hello, Kiki.
Maybe you walk away because he's obsessed with you.
Hello, Kiki. Hi. Come here, Kiki.
Kiki, it's your girlfriend.
Hi, Travis. Hello, Kiki. Come here.
Shucks. What's that, Coco? What? He's just so glad to be back out in the tree.
Mm-hmm.
What? Hey. Hello? Hello? Hello, Ladybird? Hello? 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 Coco, you can also go on the tree. Huh? You want to go on this tree? Let's see. We'll keep an eye on it. Go.
Oh, look at Coco. Hey, Kiki.
Coco's like, I'm the original. I was your first. I grew up with this tree.
I started it all.
Coco's been the longest.
Mhm.
Just wish he could stop plucking those feathers. It's getting better. I mean, he's got all these wing feathers. He's flying now. Stevie! Hey! Hey! Hello! Hello! Come here! Hello! Oh! Hello, Stevie! Huh? Say hello! You liking it outside? Come on, let's go. Let's see. Go back.